Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the phone so nothing interferes. First, charge to at least 20% and remove any case or screen protector. These can press sensors. Then boot into safe mode to check if a third-party app causes the black screen. Safe mode disables them. Backup contacts and call logs now, because if we need to reset settings later, you won't lose data. Once done, make a test call while in safe mode and watch whether the display returns during proximity events. You'll now diagnose the sensor and software. Start a call and use a flashlight app held near the earpiece. The screen should turn off if the proximity sensor reacts. If it doesn't, go to settings or engineering mode and run a proximity sensor test or calibration. Recalibration fixes misreads. Next, check recent app installs or updates that access calls or sensors and uninstall them. Also, make sure system and phone app updates are applied, because firmware patches often resolve sensor handling bugs. Finish with app-level fixes and a last resort. Clear the phone app cache or reset app preferences and then retest calls. This removes corrupted settings. If the issue persists after updates and calibration, perform a factory reset. Make sure your backup is complete, because this erases personal data. If you still have a black screen during calls, it's likely hardware. Make an appointment at an authorized Realme service center and request a proximity sensor inspection or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.